So, is it illegal to drive this shit with no seatbelt?
No, as long as you don't get caught, you're fine.
Oh, all right.
Hausermag 44. It's good to get the full sound effect of this. Basically, this truck is 1959 Ford. I've had it for years. I just took a bunch of these.
Nice.
It's all custom. Driving around, let it get up to temperature a little bit. It doesn't like the cold.
I'm going to put a link for his YouTube channel. He has maybe 5 episodes so far.
Yeah, 5. Definitely more coming.
And he has quite a few hundred guns, antiques, everything. This guy lives for guns, he lives for trucks, and muscle cars from the past, right?
Yeah, I got a lot of old playlists. Well, for the cars, I like Mopars. Got a little Roadrunner and Duster. Remember I said this thing's really just a puppy. It's not made for speed. As you can see, it pulls pretty good for a truck. The motor's a small block Ford. It's quarter stroke to 363 cubic inches. But it's an aftermarket dark block. It's got AFR heads. It's about 11 to 1 compression. So it gets up and goes pretty good for such a big rig.
Now guys, this truck here is, he's still doing some custom work to it. So when we're done with this drive here, nothing says America like an earthquake with 4 wheels. Holy shit, man.
Supercharger's in it.
You're putting a supercharger in it?
No, I got a supercharger for it, but I just got to lower the compression right now. So if you supercharge an engine, you got to lower the compression ratio.
Of course.
The higher the compression, the more heat it makes. So if you supercharge it with too much compression, you'll make too much heat, and that in turn can melt pistons and do all kinds of damage. You don't want to do that. So
I don't know if you feel comfortable throwing numbers out, but how much money do you have into this thing? And how many trucks did you go through to build this thing?
I dismantled about 30-40 of these. Just these are so hard to get parts for. I don't know. There's definitely an upwards of 50,000 into it right now.
50 grand.
Yeah.
Now guys, Hauser is unique in one way. Everyone I know that buys a truck and a car and puts 50 grand into it, they paint it. They paint it, they make it look like a Barbie car. This guy actually intentionally left the hood rusted because of the character it gives it.
This thing gets used and abused off-road all the time, any chance I get. In fact, this roof was actually cut off and welded on because the original one flipped over a couple times. So, and there's also, I have spare cabs. I'll show you that in a little bit when we get back to the shop.
All right.
You know, when we get back to Hauser World.
Hauser World.
See where it all happens.